If your hair is dry, damaged, brittle, or overprocessed, why not try this homemade natural deep conditioner? Using a good conditioner is always a priority for women with dry hair. Without conditioner, our lives would be a mess. The controllable frizz, unneeded texture, and unwanted breakage are all things we really want to do without conditioning. Helps smooth the hair, shafts, and keep it hydrated, which makes your hair soft, control frizz, and gets rid of tangles. You don't have to scrap up all of your space changing or dip into your vacation fund just to show your hair some love. And you don't need a store-bought products for deep conditioning either. Take a walk around your house and you will probably find all the ingredients you need to make a homemade deep conditioner. So the first ingredient for this deep conditioner is vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is natural conditioner, and these fatty ingredients provide much needed nourishment for dry and damaged hair. Pour 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil into a bowl. As I have mentioned, vegetable oil helps repair dry, brittle hair while softening your strands at the same time. The next magical ingredient for this deep conditioner is mayonnaise. Because of its rich content of amino acids and nourishing oils, mayonnaise is one of the best ingredients you should use to condition your hair. Mayonnaise is one such ingredient that is commonly used in natural hair care treatments. Just add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise to it. Now add a tablespoon of honey to it. Honey is a humectant, so it locks its moisture. The last ingredient of this DIY deep conditioner is banana. Bananas are chock full of biotin A, B vitamin that is thought to promote lively hair and healthy scalp. Simple, put 1 ripe banana to it and mix all ingredients very well. Massage the mixture into freshly washed dry hairs. Start at the roots and work the mixture down through the end of your hair. Pile your hair on top of your head and put on a plastic shower cap or plastic wrap around your hair to keep it to place. Leave the mixture on your hair for 20 minutes, then rinse out with warm water. Shampoo and condition your hair as usual. This super moisturizing hair mask will help promote hair growth and volume from follicle to tips. Have you ever thought about making your own homemade deep conditioner using these simple ingredients or other that can you concoct? Share your own experience with me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.